Yo guys, what's up? Investing Money Man here. I'm trying to experiment with this video capture software, but I just made a trade. You guys didn't see it, but the software had didn't work out. So GameStop, I'm trying to capitalize on that movement. I put a put order in for 50, and then I put a backspread in, which is basically I bought a 34 and a 33 put. Just to limit my risk. So I really do like this TastyWorks software. This is kind of like my little fun portfolio that I do a lot of trading in, options trading. There is a little bit of crypto in here, so it's pretty cool. They gave me a incentive. It's like buy $50 worth of crypto, and then they give me $50 free or something like that. So it was a pretty good deal at the time. So if you guys want to use some easy software to use, I can just try to set up this trade again. So I go up here to GameStop. See, it's now it's falling. You can see I have the order here for 50. So it's really easy. If I want to do a new order, just click on it. So I'm selling 49. And then say I want to buy. It's just that easy. So the software is super easy to use. Say review and send. You can see here, get a probability profit, 73%. Probability of 50% profit, 72%. So it's pretty good right there. So that's about what I had before, and you just go send order. It'll send it. So I just sent that order. You can see that's working. Just going to cancel it. It was pretty hard to fill before, so I had to go way below midpoint, mid-price. You can see here I also just wanted to close it out at some point. Just put a really small position fill in. So this is a pretty advanced trading. I'm going to start off with something a little easier for my first video on the channel. But the GameStop is pretty much a good opportunity to get in, grab a couple bucks, and get out pretty quick. So anyway, I'm going to be covering some more crypto. I have another crypto portfolio that I have. I want to be going over some of that and what to look for. And with all the movement in the industry recently, I know crypto has been tanking the past couple days, but long term, I'm really bullish on it. So we'll take a look at that. Also, my other portfolio that I have, a little bit longer term, use Robinhood. You get free stock with Robinhood, right? You get free stock just for signing up, and Webull. I just got that going in my portfolio just recently. You also get a free stock for that just for signing up. So check the description below and use my affiliate link. We can both profit from it. That'd be great. And there's one other thing. There's a couple other things that I want to cover in my channel as well. Saving, investing, basic stuff like that. So anyway, guys, you'll be just wanted to see if the screen capture works pretty well. It seems like it's working. So if you guys want to comment below, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Number one, and see if I can work that into my plan for the channel. And hopefully I have some good dialogue with you guys, and we'll both learn a lot about investing for the long term and some short term stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Click and subscribe.